This is Honor 200, and today I'll show how you can fix the Wi-Fi connectivity issues on this device. So in the beginning, launch your device's settings, enter the Wi-Fi category, and try toggling the Wi-Fi feature off and on. Then you can also forget the network that you are connected to, and reconnect your device to the very same network to see if it will lead you anywhere. Then what you might also want to try is to enter the System and Updates category of settings, then go into Date and Time, and here switch on the Set Automatically option. This way you're going to properly synchronize your date and time, which is the root or the cause of the Wi-Fi connectivity issues in a lot of such cases. And the final advice that I have for you is that you reset your Wi-Fi, or should I rather say network preferences. And in order to do that, you will need to enter the System and Updates category of settings once again, then go into Reset, Reset Network Settings, Reset Network Settings. Then once again, Confirm, and here you have it. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.